Welcome to Otisam Mathematics. In this video, we are to find the value of n if the square root of 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus up to 2n minus 1 is equal to 60. Okay, so let's start. Now, this is the square root of this whole expression. So why not square both sides to get rid of the square root? So let's square both sides. Now, when you square both sides, we are going to have 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus plus 2n minus 1 is equal to 30 squared is 900. Now, what does this mean? This is the sum of odd numbers. These are odd numbers. Now, and it is a linear sequence with the first term 1 and then a common difference of 2. The left hand side is a linear sequence with first term being 1 and then common difference which is 2. Now this is the sum. So for sum of first n terms is given by n over 2 times a plus l, where a is the first term, l is the last term. We are fortunate the last term is 2n minus 1. So we just have to substitute. So sum of the first n terms will be n over 2 times 1 plus the last term is 2n minus 1. So we have n over 2 times 1 minus 1 will go to 0, 2n. So these two will cancel. So we have n squared. So sum of the first n terms is equal to n squared. And we have Sn being equal to, let's count back. So Sn which is equal to 900. So this implies that n squared is equal to 900. Now we want n, so we need to take the square root on both sides. So take the square root here, take the square root there. So n will be equal to square root of 900 is 30. That is our answer. Viewers, thank you very much for staying with me. If you like this video, just click the like button. Bye.